secret powerful technique to win a lottery jackpot prize part 2. Guys, we always have a golden rule. Maintain at least the 2 to 3 days the combination to see the effectivity of your combination. But on this powerful technique, I have developed this strategy and formula to hit the jackpot as soon as possible without maintaining the combination for days. This is to lessen your losses and hit the jackpot as soon as possible. Now, on this strategy, I will apply the skip strategy because this is the most effective way to get the key number, the primary and the secondary number, and get the trending number. So focus on this guide. Based on these previous results, 956-003, 923-504, 324-807, 564-852, and 539. This is based on evening draws. Analysis for the key numbers: 1, none; 2, 2 skip; 3, 1 skip; 4, 3 skip; 5 current; 6 current; 7, 5 skip; 8, 5 skip; 9 current; 0, 1 skip. As you can see, based on the analysis for key numbers, 1, none, it has not been drawn. So automatically the number 1 is our primary key number. The secondary are 7, 8, and 4. Strategy works to identify the key numbers. So the key numbers are 1, 7, 8. We will get another number, that is the trending number. And there is only one trending number. As you can see, based on these previous results, the trending number that I have identified is the number 3. Now, here is the final combination using the key number and the trending key number. So here are the two final combinations. This is based on how you play or bets. So focus and listen on how this combination can be applied based on your local lottery. The final combination using the key number. As you can see, the key number, the primary key number 1, I have put the number 1 on the first line. And the second line is the 7 with the highest skip. And on the third line, I full wheel it from 1 to 0. So we occupied all numbers, the key and the number with the highest skip. As you can see, look at the power of this combination. This is so much powerful if you maintain this. The key here is to hit as soon as possible the jackpot and the winning combination. So now, based on this combination, you can play this on a box or an exact order match place. This is also will be based on your local lottery, the trend, and what is your key number. Hope you understand my explanation on the first final combination. Now, on the second final combination, using the key plus the trending number. On this second final combination, as you can see, I have used the first line is the trending number, the second line is our key number, and the third line, I full wheel it from 1 to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So the winning jackpot number cannot escape when it is drawn. The power of using the key number plus trending number is so much powerful. This again will be based in your local lottery result. Backtest everything. You can play this for box or exact order match combination. Backtest everything first based on your local lottery results. identify the keys and the trending number, and generate the combination. Hope my explanation, guys, is very clear. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on this channel for more tips, strategy, and analysis. Thank you.